Asterisk. I've been waiting for this music video because I love this song. Like, no, BTS. Okay.
I love this song. It's just a part of the mariachi.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, they did that. And then with the two mics.
Okay.
Oh
my god. Okay. Oh my god. If I see RM, I'm having a shit. I'm shitting on myself if I see RM.
You are gonna see RM.
I know. He's in BTS. Okay.
You act like you're not gonna see him.
Okay.
Okay. You need to walk away. V just look like a fucking snack. I can't.
Yeah.
He always looking fine. Look at him. Jimin. Ooh. Is that RM? Oh, Cookie.
Oh, I got scared.
Millie.
Oh my god, yeah.
He's sexy. Whatever.
Get it, Jimin.
He
look good. Okay.
That's my man.
Don't close my eyes.
Oh, and they had a bar too. A cantina. We still.
SG. I'm about to hurt.
We still.
His eye. SG.
You're about to die.
No, I'm about to cry.
He said, girl, you better comment.
No, I can't breathe. No, he's so fine.
Look at my face, he's so fine. I missed him so much.
Yes.
I like how they're wearing robes.
Yes. Ooh, look at Sugar's hat. It comes going back and forth. My part finna come up. Oh wait, I messed up. Yes. Oh,
I like the urban feel of it.
Yes.
Have you been to Earthbound? It feels like being in there. Like this video. Hobie could just hit me. Ah! He's fine.
I can't breathe.
You see how slickly he moved?
I would have fell.
I would have fell too. My fat ass, nah.
What? Look at my mix. I can't watch him. I don't know.
Come on.
Whose hair is... You saw that?
Yeah, it's like black blue.
Who is that?
I think it was Hobie.
Yeah, okay, I was gonna say. Hey!
I love that.
This gives me like Idol vibes.
It does. Like an alternate version of Idol.
Look at my man RM.
Jin, yes.
Get Jin, break your back.
Ooh, in the rain.
That's why he was wet. Break your back. What? He the
Cookie.
Okay, I'm not gonna say nothing.
Remember when he was my bias for like 2.5 seconds?
When you pull up the shirt?
Yes.
Where's my man at?
I like that.
RM can, okay.
Oh, our biases beside each other?
RM can just, okay.
They killed that. That was so good. I like that.
Y'all, BTS, RM
served the looks of the century.
RM, he gave, no, like, I swear to God, like, when RM came on the screen, I'm not playing. My, like, something was crawling on my chest, like, I couldn't breathe. I couldn't breathe. No, I feel like those, like, weird, like, KYUMMIEZ fans, but, like, I literally could not breathe. I swear to God, I could not.
You said that about every ult.
No. I got them good ults. You can't.
When you see your ult, you be like, yo, I can't breathe.
I'll be having, like, a heart attack.
You be having, like, literally, like, little tantrums. You be like, oh, no, gosh.
Like, because they do everybody just be doing stuff. Like, calm down. Like, let me breathe.
They want you to react the way they react so they could get that what? Money. That's why they stay rich.
That's why people find all that stuff.
Yep. But yeah, the video was good overall. I loved it. It gave me Idol vibes for like an alternate version of Idol, like if that makes sense. And it was very like it fit the song. Like it wasn't like any random like concept that they threw just in. So it fit. So yeah.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts besides your screaming of RM?
Actually, I can't. Like, I'm being for like, I don't have nothing to say. Like,
well, that's what she said.
Oh, like, okay, that's it.
Oh yeah, we have BTS accounts. If y'all didn't know,
I barely got 200 followers.
My account is Park Jimina. Go follow me, and hers is Shasol.
Shasol, because who am I? Who's my bias?
Oh, Jin Headass.
Rat Monster. We get shunned. Okay, but thanks for watching. Make sure you like,
share, comment, subscribe, and do whatever you want to do.
Yeah, to get us out there.
Yeah, get us out there, please. We're trying to get big, y'all. Like, maybe by the end of senior year, we'll be like big or whatever. I don't know.
And we want to get big so when we meet you guys.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, that's it.
Thank you for watching us.
Bye.
Bye. Put your earphones on when you watch this.